Zach, what are we doing there? You putting the glass panels?
We are installing individual panes of glass.
So you've got like a butyl tape that we're putting in on the outside of that, is that
Correct.
right?
That's what Elias down here is installing in front of me. And I'm also just going to run a little bead, a little tack bead of Lexel just to hold it in place until we get ready to glaze.
So we're having to set individual panes of glass on all these windows. It's got a butyl tape in there, and then it'll have the exterior glazing put on to keep it waterproof. You recall how many pieces of glass? I think there's something crazy like 3,000 or 4,000 individual panes.
No, it's not quite that many. It's around 900, give or take, and they're bringing us. They brought 300 the other day, and it's a load.
Okay, so I'm off, but still 900 pieces of glass. That's a lot of glass to put in.
Lots
That's
of
a
glass.
lot. All righty.